Hi, my name is Ivan Ruiz. I'm the Executive Culinary Director here at Westgate, Las Vegas, and today we're going to be making Italian Biscottis. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the ingredients. So you're going to need eggs, some oil, some honey, some vanilla extract, some softened butter. Make sure this is soft because you're going to need to go in and incorporate it with your wet ingredients. Some baking powder, sugar, flour, almonds, and zest of lemon. And you'll have the portions of the recipe in below or on the screen. So let's go ahead and begin. So we're going to start off with all our wet ingredients. So we're going to put in our butter. I pull this out at temperature about 3 hours. And we're going to incorporate our eggs. The reason I'm doing it with a small whisk is because normally I would have done this at home with a KitchenAid, but if you don't have a KitchenAid, it doesn't mean you can make this at home. So, oil, honey, and vanilla extract. Flour, baking powder, sugar, and my zest. I'll throw in my almonds later on. So I did sift my flour, so make sure to get that. Just get a nice strainer and pass it through. So now we will slowly start mixing that together. Okay, now that we have that incorporated, I'm going to go and dust my surface. I'm just going to give it a quick little roll out, and then I'm going to form it in a slick. This is mat that you can also use parchment paper at home. That'll work just as fine. So what you want to do is kind of roll it into a nice little ball. So they're about an inch and a half, because once this bakes off, it's going to spread out evenly. And so I preheated the oven at 350 degrees. So we'll bake it for 22 minutes, and I'll turn it around every 11 minutes. That way, it's kind of evenly cooked at the same temperature on both sides. And let's get this in the oven. So go ahead and put it in your oven, your preheated oven. And the reason I mentioned it's elevated is because your oven at home is going to work a little different from the ovens we use. We're going to give this a nice turn so it can cook, bake evenly. You can see how one side is a little than the other. So we'll put that back in the oven. As that, I'll set my timer for another 11 minutes. As I have that baking, I have 5 ounces of bitter-sweet chocolate, and I have 2 ounces of butter that I have melting that I'm going to be drizzling on top of the biscotti when it's cooled off. Okay, so ready to go. So if you look at that, you got the golden brown color that you're looking for. All right, so now that this is down here, I'm going to go ahead and just cut this in half. Still go all the way through because you don't want to cut yours in that. And I'm going to go ahead and split this up in twos because it's normally you want to make these in something half the size. But we're going to let these rest for a couple, let's say about 4 minutes before we slice into them, and then we'll spread them out so we can bake them again. All right, so now that this has cooled off, I'm going to start slicing into 1-inch. So you want to make sure you get into these right before they get hard, because then you won't be able to get into them. So traditionally you want to do it in a bias and get that long biscotti look, but I'm going to keep that small because I know I'll end up doing like 7 of them. The smaller the better. So I want to go ahead and put half. I slid it to all of them, but what I did here was I only put out half of it on my rack here that I'm going to be putting back in the oven, because these are the ones that I'm going to dry out. This other half, I actually really enjoy this biscotti a little softer myself for preference. Of course, this is the more traditional way, and so we'll be putting in the oven we'll be doing 8 minutes per side. And you'll want to drop your oven down to 300 degrees, and then while that's going, I have here some chocolate that I melted that we're going to be drizzling over that. All right, our 7 minutes per side have passed, so I'm pulling these out. So what I'm going to do now, I'll be adding this side back, because I will be drizzling all of these with some chocolate. All right, so now that we got our chocolate melted, this is the consistency that you want to see. It's really easy to pour. That way you can drizzle right all over your biscottis. Now, this is not something that you have to do, but I really do enjoy that. Chocolate on top of my biscotti. So I'm going to drizzle these. You could dip them, you could do just various things, but I'm just going to do a quick drizzle on these. All right, so here's your biscottis. And thank you for joining me. Till next time, I'll see you again here at Westgate.